So, hi guys. So, for today's video, we're playing a Dusty 3. Yeah, yeah. I already know you will know this um, game. So, right now we're going to play it. So, yeah. Oh, my God. Nakaabot. Yeah. Is there anyone who wants to join? Okay, apat na. Yeah. Hi. Welcome back to my channel nga pala. So, have you watched my other videos yet? If you haven't watched it, you can watch it later after you watch this video. No, tama. So, ayun. Ano ba yung ano? Isa yun. Ano yun? That's not my Roblox. Oh, yun ako. So, right now we just started and asan yung van? Asan yung car? So, wala yung nagulog ata ako. So, ito na lang yung gamitin natin. So, we're just going to get some... Wait lang. Okay, apat naman kami. We're just going to get some... Ano yun? Yung pinto. Door to the car. Yeah. And we're going to put this on the back. Ay! Car pala to. Diba kasi dun yung car, tapos dito yung van. It updated ata. So yeah, we're going to na. Hindi dito na. Wala, hindi dyan na pala yun. So, I didn't know that. But now I know. We're going to clean the van. Dito pala yun, guys. Anong ginagawa mo? So yeah. As you can see, it's so dirty. It's so dirty. How can I clean it? It's hard to clean. As you can see, gagawin na natin. Tap to grab. Just clean. Oh, ganun lang pala. Just move it around and it's going to clean. Ganun lang yun. So, yeah. Am I lagging? Or not? No, I'm not. So, I'm going to get this bread and we're going to attach it the car. I-attach natin to sa car. Yung nag-English. And I feel like I'm going to put this inside. Lagyan na natin ito sa loob. Ay, ginagawa ninyo! Ayun. Ano nangyayari dyan? So, pasensya na kayo kung medyo lag ba? Pasensya na kayo, guys. So, yeah. Let's continue to our task. Yeah. Ano pa ba? Here, we have food here. And I think we need a flashlight din. Kasi minsan may, diba, madilim. So, kailangan natin. So, wait lang. Uy! What happened? What did you do? We're going to place it again. Ay! Gulo mo. Kamagulo. Hey, what's your name? Rabby. Don't eat that. We can eat that later. Habi siya. Habi ang kanyang pangalan. We will have a kiwi apple. We need these two. Ito muna. Nakuha na. Flashlight. We're gonna need this later. Just put that bread inside. At the back. Ikaw may nakapa. How do I put that? No! What happened? Okay. What the fudge? What is happening? Guys. Guys! Just, what the Okay, let's open this one and we're going to place the bread again because someone just took it and now we're going to place it again. Oh my gosh. Pagbagal ninyo. Sure lang. So, ayan. Ano ba yung maingin na yun? Okay. Yung atay nagpupukpok. Parang may naririnig ako kasi nagpupukpok. Yeah, what's that? What are you guys doing? Okay. Let's just continue. Wait. I can't weld it. So I'm just gonna eat it. Okay. Guys, are you guys ready? Wait. I'm going to get the garlic. Let's get the garlic. I'm gonna get the garlic. So guys, don't, ano ba? Huwag niyo akong iwanan guys. Huwag niyo akong iwanan. Iwanan ko kayo. Huwag niyo akong iwanan. Ang dami ko din diyang ambag. So guys, wait for me. Ay! Saan? Please. Guys, wait for me! Where are you? Oh, wala kayo. So, I'm just overreactive. I'm just OA. So, going to open this and put this inside. Weld it there. I don't know where it is now. Guys, it's okay. That's not what I expected. Why is it teleporting there? Okay, never mind. What did he just said? What did he say? Get it done. I'm gonna go now. Okay. Never mind. I don't know where the garlic now, but never mind. Just never mind. Let's go. Is everyone ready? Guys, I'm only using a PC. pala. I'm only using my phone, so as you can see naman, diba? And I just wanna, I'm going to change the movement to move. I'm going to make it like that. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's go. Is everyone ready now? Go. Let's go. Is there a problem? What happened? What's wrong? Guys. disconnecting because everyone. Oh, he's moving. Look at him. But this guy isn't. This guy isn't moving. So I don't know. Oh, I'm probably disconnected. Yeah. Oh gosh. So, are we gonna end this video now? Nothing just happened. Wala naman nangyari. Guys. What the... Guys. Never mind. So what? What now? We're just going to start over and find another group. Because I just disconnected as you can just no. Actually I was supposed to play with my brother. I was supposed to play with my brother, but her his cell phone just ran out of battery. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So yeah. He can join because her phone just ran out of battery. So, you know what I mean? You already know what I mean. So let's just start this game without him. Ano. Sabi? So guys, ayun na nga guys, apakabagal ko naman, Diyos ko naman to. Guys, umayos na. So, linisin muna natin. Ito yung kaisa-isang ambag na hindi talaga ako nawala. Ambag ko na to eh. Talagang lagi yung paglilinis. And yung mga foods. You know why? O diba, linis? Ito. Guys, we're going to clean it. Oh, this van looks great than the other vans. You know. Why am I so slow? I'm just going to sprint. Oh, I forgot. When the storm, pagka nagkiglatan yung van, nawawala din yung mga food na nakadikit. So, I think I'm supposed to put the foods and etc. inside. Foods, gasoline, you know what I mean. So, yeah. This
Guys,
is
I love
the
my sister.
He doesn't mean that. He doesn't mean that.
Yes.
Don't be noisy. I'm recording.
I'm studying robbery.
Ano daw? Hoy, wag ka magulo. Tagal ko na dito. Nakailang ulit na tayo mga B. So, ayun.
Sorry,
Ganun, kahit di naman nag-i-English, napapa-English ako, Diyos ko. Rin batang ere, nangis ako sa iyo. Nangigil ako sa iyo. Ano daw? Okay. Ganun so guys, parang, tahimik ko lang. Guys, do you agree? So,
yes. What the flipper?
My hand gets stuck. Oh no, so, what am I going to do now? Yeah. How did that happen? This is what I hate from this game.
Yeah.
When your hand gets glitch, you know when
it gets stuck.
I think it's glitch. It's just a glitch. I hate it when that happens. So, yeah. Where's the...
It's my first time.
No. Kasi kanina di pa naglaro na. Tapos lang talaga. Nag-disconnected lang ako. So, guys, Where's the garlic? Yeah, here. Okay.
We don't need the garlic.
Yeah, we do need it because
You can eat it
you can eat it. We can eat.
like
No, this
No,
is too
why?
small. What
What
are you
the
guys?
fuck?
What are you guys doing?
What the fuck?
So yeah,
Sorry guys.
what
For
is
the
happening?
What the fish?
Curse word. Don't say curse word, guys.
He just
Ano?
only 8 years old.
Ano daw? Lalo na, don't say curse word, guys. Lalong-lalo na, if you're just a kid and there's a lot of,
Don't.
basta, ano, wala na. Parang sin pa nga ito. Ginagay mga napapanood. What the? Guys! What is this? This is the makina.
Stop.
Guys, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah, dyan ka muna. So we're just going to close the door.
Don't make a chaos.
Why can't I?
Guys,
Okay, we're gonna place that. And where's the? Ito yung makina, guys.
oh,
Yung makina natanggal. Tapos ando doon. Tanga, hindi nyo yun
What the?
Hindi nyo yun Ito yung makina. This is the machine. Ito yung makina Hindi nyo talaga mapapanda. Dumb ways to die.
Dumb is dumb, not dumb ways to die.
Dumb.
Dumb.
Guys, how do I put this inside? Okay.
Just shooting now.
Tapos why can't... Okay. Oh my god. Oh, where's the makina? Wala nga doon.
Where's the flicking, shaking nugget?
Asan na? Asan yung makina?
Like that, yeah.
His. Pagka lalaki, his. Pag babae, her. Oh, why is it open again? I just closed this.
Place one.
What is happening in
What
this
the
world? Okay, sarado. Oh my god.
What the?
Okay.
Please just don't
Why
make
can't...
a chaos.
Oh, what is this?
What is that? I don't know.
Adot. Anong adot?
I don't know.
Bala ko siya. So, we're
Don't
going to...
make a chaos. That thing could come.
Guys, I can't... It's hard if you're using a phone. Because... What?
Where's the driver?
No, that's...
The girl.
Hala,
The girl
namatay. Naman kasi.
That girl is AFK.
So, what are we supposed to do now? They just reset or something. Oh, wait. They didn't die.
It just
No,
is
it says here that they just died. So, I'm just going to drive. Let me drive. Oh,
Yeah.
we need oil. He said we need oil. Maybe... No, we got... Maybe the oil... Okay, so baka Okay, nahulog. Nabuhos. Where can we find oil? We really need oil. Where can we find oil? No, we can't.
You are on the middle of there's the
We can't
you
because
cannot buy
we
some.
don't have oil. We really
Just buy
don't
one.
have an oil.
On the radio.
Okay. Does this have an oil? No, not
Just
enough.
use that.
No, that's not oil. Okay. What is this radio? Oh, we can use this flashlight when
Something or something
hindi pagka hindi, syempre pagka nagagabi. Oh, di ba pagka
oh
nag-night.
yeah. I'm so freaking loud.
So guys,
Shut it freaking loud.
guys, tinatawag ko kayo, sumagot kayo, Charo. So, I know.
The garlic.
Guys, I
The
know.
garlic bridge.
The girl, that girl is what
AFK.
No.
No.
He's pinapaandar niya.
Just pick up and they are here.
No, don't drive it.
No, bitch.
Oh no. It's just okay. Oh, what the...
What
are you doing?
What the?
This way.
What the fuck?
Guys,
Okay.
there's really something wrong in our car.
Yeah.
But I don't think no, what is that? We need oil. Kulang sa oil yung ano.
Buy this oil on the radio. Really though.
Guys. Nothing.
Make me
Make me
Play the
sweat. Make me hotter.
play the game.
Make me lose
I'm
my
going to buy some oil.
place that in.
Make me
And
buy some
this.
oil. And you gonna buy
How many is oil? How
a
many?
billion something.
No. Ooh, where's the engine?
I think this over here.
Hindi nga. Are we going to use the car na lang?
Yeah, you're done, bitch.
May bayad kasi to 49. 90 na lang matitira. So, no. 139 ang aking ano. 139 na lang, guys. Yung ano ko eh. Ayan. So, car na lang pala yung gagamitin natin.
Yeah, guys.
Car na lang? Okay,
Yes.
di man lang kayo nagsasabi. So, hindi sila nagsasabi kung gagamitin. Ang daya naman ninyo. Oh! Yung ano pala natin mga ano. Don't iwan me. Huwag niyo akong iwan, guys. Dito yung mga ano natin, adobo. So, we need all of this. We're going to get all of this and put this.
I think this
This, no, this. So, gonna put this and this.
I think my phone is dying.
Oh,
Not charging.
how to open this?
Oh yeah,
So we have only burger. We need more.
Oh, I love burgers.
We need a bread. We have banana
Yeah.
also,
Yeah.
apple, and
Yeah.
garlic.
Next.
That's-
No more? Okay.
Yeah, that's only food we have. But the apple is missing.
Sana all my diary.
Sana to. Basta kumain na saging. But hopefully,
Sana all
I'm thankful that now everything is going well. But I don't think it is because
Because
haven't, no. Di pa tayo nakapag-drive. Wala pa tayo nakarating sa buhay.
or something suspicious
Wala nga kasing oil. Suspicious.
on the car.
Walang oil. We have no oil.
Oh yeah, that.
Where is it? Yes, always the garlic always. is always
the
missing.
garlic
The garlic is always
on
missing.
the journey.
O, diba? Nabalik na dun. Diyos ko. Diyos ko po. Ano to?
Dahil,
Kanina ka po.
I just look like that. What the hell?
Guys, so, ano kasi masasabi ko, nakakainis pagka, yung player ka ng Roblox, tapos ka, kasi wala kang masabi, wala kang maisip na masabi. So guys, I think I'm just gonna cut the, nakat ko na lang isa, kasi pangalawa ko na itong, attempt, and I got disconnected, and I just cut that. Kinat ko na lang yun, guys. Ayun. Pangalawa na to. Kasi apakatagal na masyado eh. Inis na ako eh. Okay na. Going to close it again.
Where's the gun? Or something emergency?
Wala. We
Why
don't
the
have
gun?
it.
Or something?
The car doesn't work. We don't have fuel. Yeah, alright. We don't have fuel. Fuel car. We also have to fuel this car.
Oh, damn.
We have a lot of things to do, and we haven't done.
Any drugs?
No, we have to put the. Oh, we don't have a gas. We need gas.
Where's the gas?
We don't have gas.
Where's the gas?
Wala nga tayong gas, so ayun. Baka dito may gas dito, guys. I don't know.
Don't know where the gas is.
Yeah.
If you pick up the car and get the burn.
So, guys, I don't know what to do now. Are we gonna end
Just buy
this?
the dish.
I don't wanna end this because I haven't done single journey, you know.
Just
I think they just fly.
maybe sometimes.
I think they just flew away. Baka naman lumipad na sila. Yung iba namin kasama, lumipad na lang. I'm just going with them now.
RIP, I miss you guys. Bye-bye.
Mga nagpo na lang sila. So, how can I, lipad?
Take some door.
Oh, yeah. But no, I can't.
The new one.
Hindi nga pwede.
The old one.
Take this.
Take that and fly away.
No, that's too small. We need something like, yung
bigger.
kinuha na kasi nila eh. Kinuha na nila, pwedeng yun eh. So, ito. Ay, hindi.
May not-pick it up.
Oh, we have this technique. We can do the, TV.
Oh, you can't pick it up. Door. Hey, yo. Look at that. Not that, bitch.
Let's go, guys.
Where are you going?
Okay, let's go. How can I drive? How to drive? How to
What
drive?
the fuck?
I'm just going to
Unstop. Are you wrong?
back to seat. Going to this.
How you going to drive because there's no fuel. There's no fuel.
No, we can use the TV.
Use? What that going to do?
Yung technique yun, napanood ko lang na pwede nilang gamitin yon as a gas if they don't have gas na. So, we're going to use na lang that, guys. So,
No, that's down.
no, we can use that. I don't know how they do this, but they grab the TV, and while grabbing the TV, they drive. They drive You know what I mean? You already know.
I don't know.
Hindi. You'll see later. You can check me later. 'Cause
I think
this
this is
is
stop.
probably worth it. So,
No, it's not. Oh, shoot.
Yours.
You're stuck.
No.
That's a glitch.
No.
Yeah,
That is a glitch. You can actually do that. Yeah. Wait! Look at my... Nabawasan, guys. Tignan niyo yung health ko. Something just happened. I almost died. I don't know why.
You are dying.
I don't know why. Bye, guys. I'm dying. Ah, of thirsty na. I'm hungry na. Bye, guys. So, this is probably gonna be the end. Bye.
You're sexy.
What? What did you just say?
Nothing.
What did you just say?
Nothing.
You died to what? I don't even know why you died, lol. So, guys, this is probably gonna be the end of this video, and I hope you like it, guys. So, I'm so thankful that you... So, salamat kasi nakarating kayo dito sa video na to. Napanood niyo lahat. So, thank you very, very much for watching. So, that really helped, yeah, you know. So, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye! Oh, where's my head? Bye, guys.